May I please your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, yesterday one of our senior colleague has mentioned for withdrawal lordship for listing today, but it is not in the list lordship. And be
Okay.
taken up today
Okay.
lordship. Obliged to lord.
May I please your lordship. Well, the criminal petition, cancellation of bail, whether it is pending since long day. So matter may come up next week, 24 if
Next
possible.
week.
24, 25.
Criminal petition. 4 April.
4th April. So 4th April,
May I please your
no
lordship?
problem.
Mine also similar prayer lordship. My two criminal petition.
Territory, 7th of April.
Maybe. But I beg to mention before your lordship that a criminal petition has been filed, my lord, seeking quashing of the complaint petition filed by the wife uh, before the landed court of judicial magistrate, my lord. And in that case, my lord, 498, my lord. And in that case, my lord, the wife has implicated all the near and distant relatives who are employees and all the things, my lord. All employees and all my lord, relations of the husband have come, my lord, with this criminal petition. And the date has been fixed on 25, my lord, in the law. So, my lord, kindly, my lord, either tomorrow or day after tomorrow,
First date.
my lord, first day.
They won't arrest you on the first date. On the April or DD. On first date, nobody arrests you. 3rd of April.
May I please your lordship for listing of a criminal petition lodged on 3rd of April, lordship.
Lordship, listing of a criminal petition as well as a criminal revision petition on
7th April.
3rd April. Lord.
May I please your lordship listing for a regular bill. Regular bill
Regular bail. When do you want?
tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Under which
Filing date
sections?
lordship.
Under
10th
which
March,
sections?
Huh?
Which section?
303.
Huh?
Yes, 303. 303.
Theft.
Theft.
What theft? You don't know. How many days you are behind bars?
How many days? 35 days.
What kind of theft?
Gold and ornament.
Day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention that we have filed criminal appeal with IA in the month of February, which is not listed in the process. So kindly list the matter on 21 March.
21 March, no. 4th April.
May I please your lord. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a criminal appeal, my lord. He is behind the bar, serving the sentence, my lord. Matter was last listed on 5/11/2024. Since then, matter has not been listed. So,
7th
Wait a
April.
May I please your lordship, I beg to mention the listing of a criminal petition. Next. Maybe on 7 April.
My lord, I beg to
On
mention
eight, on eight.
criminal appeal, my lord. Hearing matter, my lord. We will list it on
Hearing details.
hearing, my lord. He is behind the bar for the last 2.5 years.
8 April.
8 April.
May I please your lordship? I beg to mention for listing of a criminal petition for day after tomorrow, lordship.
Why?
Lordship, 24th of March is the next date fixed for SD, lordship.
For what?
For SD,
What is SD? Statement defense.
lordship. Lordship, kindly for day after tomorrow, lordship.
You take adjournment, but not day after tomorrow. Date that direction.
On
2nd April.
May I please your lordship? I beg to mention item number 36 for withdrawal.
Now. We'll call you. আগতে মাতি দিবা।
I beg to mention for listing a criminal revision petition in the last week of March. Actually, the hearing is fixed on last week of March.
What?
Hearing is fixed for on last week of March. Criminal
Appeal,
revision
appeal.
petition.
Huh?
Criminal revision petition against order of maintenance, Lord.
When is the hearing fixed?
On 28th, Lordship. Before 28th, any date, Lordship.
This.
Lordship. No interim order.
Why should I prepone it? Why?
No, Lordship. In the trial court, hearing is fixed, Lordship. On
What kind of
28th.
hearing?
Lordship, what I meant-
Evidence?
Lordship.
No. 7th April.
May I please your lordship, I beg to mention for listing one executive bail, lordship. But in 2024 matter for bail irregular, lord.
Date to DD.
On Friday, lordship.
No,
But even my lord,
anticipated bail, no.
my lord, 2024
No.
matter. We have,
Anticipatory bail, we don't have time.
the co-accused bail is granted by this honorable court. We have went to
He
the.
is not behind bars, see, only 2 weeks left.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention for listing on regular bail.
Hmm?
Regular bail. May I please, Your Lordship. First, I beg to mention for listing IA on 21st. Okay.
Why did it
Because
first?
petitioner is a convicted prisoner. Your Lordship. He has been convicted for 5 years, and is already 2 years has been completed in behind the bar.
Under which section?
21B. Your Lordship.
बेलेग ना डेट दीजिए 3rd April.
Next is Lordship, I beg to mention withdrawal bail application, hearing bail application number 241 of 25.
Today or tomorrow?
Tomorrow, Lordship. Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 47, Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, matter may be listed on 3rd April or
Learned counsel for the petitioner, your name?
A. Brahma, Lord.
30?
47, Lord.
Has prayed for adjournment, list the matter on 3rd April.
3rd April.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. I will mention item number 41, my lord.
Hmm.
Kesari has not been received, my lord.
Case diary has.
We are on interim.
Case diary has come. Case diary has called for is not received. Issue reminder, list the matter on.
Can be on 7th of April, my lord.
Can be. Interim order shall remain in force till.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention about listing of an anticipatory bail application.
Date the DD.
Maybe just, I beg to mention for listing matter for criminal petition. For admission matter. Monday.
May I please, Your Lordship. For listing of a bail application pending, Lordship.
Hmm.
Petitioner is behind the bar more than 1 year, Lordship. Last listed on 7/2/2025, my lord.
NDPS case?
Yes, Lordship.
Date the DD.
Well, on Monday, Lordship.
Oh, no, not before this court. You'll have to mention before to court as well.
Hello.
It is, but if I'm going to mention for listing of an IA, my lord, IA is filing criminal petition 244 of 21. The whole agency may come up on Friday, my lord. The agency is, my lord, the cases regarding maintenance, my lord, and warrant has been issued. Next date is fixed on 24th of this month.
Out of April.
24th is this month.
See, we are accommodating in a compact manner, 3rd of April.
Hello.
Item number 51 for withdrawal.
Are you questioning withdrawal?
I may be allowed to withdraw it.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. M. Ahmed, has prayed for withdrawal of the petition. Learned additional PP, Mr. B. Sharma, has no objection. Petition
Case
is.
diary may be sent back, Lord. Case diary.
You have a case diary also?
Yes, yes.
Today not here.
But case diary was there, Lord, on the last.
Okay. Yes, case diary to be retained. Petition is dismissed on withdrawal. Send back the case diary. Thank
Right.
you for reminding. There is a order for case diary
Yes.
My lord, here is not, my lord.
to be retained.
Not
Yours
even
will not good.
Item 52 for withdrawal.
May I please, Your Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, I am praying for withdrawal of petitioner number 2 and 4 only. Because they were arrested on 13th during pendency.
Here is only one petitioner.
No. There are 6 petitioners. Named shown in the call list is only one.
Only one.
6 petitioners. 2 and 4 only, Lordship.
Here is it.
Arrested on 13th, Lordship.
You cannot withdraw. You just don't press for them.
We have to file regular application and tag with it, Lordship.
Not
During
required.
pendency
You
cannot,
don't press.
during
don't press.
pendency you cannot file, Lordship. That is the problem. Only withdrawal in respect of 2 and 4 only, Lordship. That can be done, Lordship.
Learned counsel, Mr.
MK Hussain, Lordship.
MK Hussain has submitted that he is not pressing for bail for petitioner number 2 and
4.
4, as they have already been arrested in connection with this case. We'll call for the CD or something.
City might be available, Lordship, and fixed on
Do you have
26.
CD?
Yes,
That information not here.
fixed on 26. Lordship.
26.
Medical report. Fixed on 26. Lordship.
Fixed on 26.
Lordship.
List the matter on 26.
Item number 36 for withdrawal.
Medical.
36.
Withdraw already.
My lord.
কি আছিলে জানো তেওঁৰ নামটো?
His submission is also record. Why?
Okay, নালাগে দিয়ক।
Right. Second bail application regarding NDPS exclusive, LCR may be called for.
LCR, call for a trial.
Third
court.
or fourth may be fixed. April third or fourth may be fixed.
Fine. Call for the trial court records along with the call for the scan copies of the trial court records along with the scan copies of the CD. List the matter on third net.
Item 2.
May I please, your
Yes.
lordship, I want to draw your esteemed attention towards a factor on. Kindly see, this is a dispute, this case is arising from dispute PS case number 85 of 2025, your lordship. And there were two accused persons in this case, your lordship. One is Safiqul Haq, for whom I am representing. One more case is there, which is fixed on 24th March, your lordship, for the CD. So, lordship, my submission is that CD may be called for, and this case may be taken along with the BA number 748 of 2025.
Alright.
As the CD is same, FIR is same, your lordship.
Call for the CD. List the matter on 24th March
24th March. your
along with BA number.
BA number 748 of 2025, your lordship. Deeply obliged.
Item 3. May please, your lordship. They are classified as well, your lordship. At this stage, your lordship, CD of both the cases may be called for your lordship. Kachumara PS case number 11/25 and Kachumara PS case number 10/25.
Yes, case number 12.
Learned counsel
IH.
IH
Laskar.
IH Losco has submitted that there is a counter FIR in connection with the same cause of action. Call for the CD of
Both the cases.
Ah,
Kachumara
yes.
PS case number 11/25.
what case? PS case?
Kachumara PS case.
Kosumara PS case number 11 of
25.
2025 and
Kachumara PS case 10/25.
Kosumara PS case of Kosumara PS case number 10 of 2025. List the matter on 1st April.
I look. Item 4. May I please, lordship? Hello. It's a bail application under section 483. For accused, my lord, case 16 is the FIR.
Yes. Please read.
Here, my lord, there are, the informant have alleged about 5 accused, out of which my petitioner are 1 and 2, Ruksan Ali and Altaba. And the allegation is that এক নম্বৰ 2 নম্বৰ পদকে খাৰিদল এনচি ৰিজাৰ্ভত বসবাস কৰা পৰিয়ালৰ পৰা নীতি বহিৰ্ভূতভাৱে মাটি ম্যাদীকৰণৰ নামত ধন সংগ্ৰহ কৰা কাৰ্যকলাপ মই বাধা দিয়াত পদকীয়াগণে যোৱা ইংৰাজী 7/13/2025 তাৰিখে ৰাতিপুৱা 9 বজাত 4 বজাত 1 আৰু 2 পদকীয়ে ফোনযোগে মাতি নি পদকীয়াগণে পূৰ্ব পৰিকল্পিতভাৱে খাৰিদল পাৰঘাটৰ ওচৰত ৰৈ থাকি মোক আতৰ্কিতে আক্ৰমণ চলাই লগতে মোৰ হাত ভৰি বান্ধি মোৰ লগত থকা 2,500 টকা।
Yes.
These are the allegations.
Let us call for the CD.
CD,
We'll need the CD.
and also may injury report may also be called.
Call for the CD along with the injury report. List the matter on 7th April.
My lord, before 30 may be possible.
Not 30, not before 30, but after 30 may be possible. 3rd April.
Item 5. All right.
For 83 bail application, lordship, FIR is page 9. Clear it,
Erica nuts.
lordship. But today is only 80 days.
How many days?
80 days. But already the 3 numbers of petition already released one bail by this lordship court.
I know, maybe I have gone through the CD maybe. Or without going through the CD.
Lordship.
I have granted bail in this case.
Lordship, on length of detention, Lordship.
Parthiv Jyoti Saikia. Same case.
Same case.
Then why it is coming before me? It must come up before Parthiv Jyoti Saikia.
Yes.
I think so. PS case number Jagir Road, PS case number 249, 2024.
Lordship.
Parthiv Jyoti Saikia is out of station.
Out of the.
Oh, there is one new order, no? There's a new notification, I think.
If bench is not, it can.
On the judgment of the Supreme
Not-
Court.
Leave us for that. I will produce the case there.
Lordship, already.
Let's see, just a moment.
uh,
80 days in custody.
It is not. Arrested on 30/12/2024.
They are a driver and a handyman of the vehicle. It is vehicle. Sí, exacto, no hay nada de que.
Third learned counsel for
Alam.
Huh?
Alam.
A alarm for the petitioner Mohammad Akbar Ali, who has filed this application under section 483 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for bail, as the petitioner is behind bars since 30/12/2024 in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections. The petitioner has also prayed for bail on the ground of parity as by order dated 10/3/2025 and 3/3/2025. A coordinate bench of this case has granted bail to the co-accused of the petitioner in connection with BA number 678 of 2025 and BA number 573 of 2025 respectively. The petitioner has thus prayed for bail on the ground of parity. The learned additional PP, Mr. DP Goswami, has raised objections stating that CD is to be scrutinized to consider the bail petition. Full stop. I have considered the submission that the petitioner is behind bars for more than how many days?
80 days.
80 days. It appears that custodial detention may not be required for further investigation, as investigation may have presumably progressed substantially by now. Stop. It is also submitted that the petitioner is willing to abide by any stringent bail conditions imposed upon him. Considering all aspects, petition is allowed. The petition is enlarged on bail of rupees 50,000 with a 30,000 with a suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the jurisdictional court stroke
CJM Morigaon.
Elaka magistrate. Why is it?
CJM Morigaon.
Why is it? Jurisdictional court stroke Elaka magistrate under the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the IO on every fortnight till completion of investigation. Number 2, the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which he is alleged. And the petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the court without prior permission. On breach of any of the bail conditions, the court is at liberty to immediately cancel the bail granted to the petitioner.
Chief Justice.
Here, this is a regular bail application, Lordship. Offense, Lordship, under section 120B, 406, 419, and 420, 468, Lordship. Here, Lordship, the present petitioner is already 34 days behind the bar, Lordship. He is not the named FI accused, Lordship. And the mandatory period is 60 days, Lordship. He is arrested in this case, Lordship. Initially, he was arrested on 3/2/25, Lordship. Total 45 days behind the bar, Lordship.
Please read the FIR, let me see.
Lordship, FI is very comprehensive, Lordship. The FI relevant part, Lordship, is 21, Lordship. The allegation in short, Lordship, One Lordship Asim Das and B.N. Sharma Lordship issued a fake purchase order Lordship for supply of dining set, utensil and buckets for relief scheme in the name of Assam Disaster Management Authority Lordship. And for awarding the said order Lordship, the Asim Das and B.N. Sharma Lordship has taken money as a commission from the informant Lordship. And accordingly, the informant supplies some goods Lordship in the name of Lordship Assam Disaster Management Authority Lordship. And here Lordship, page 27 grounds of arrest Lordship. May kindly come to page 27 Lordship. The second ground Lordship. During interrogation with the accused, namely Surat Jamal, in connection with crime branch case number so and so, he revealed that the prime accused of the instant case, namely Asim Kumar Das, handed over 1,000 buckets, and the bucket were sold at Mongolda district at rupees 250 to 260 per bucket by the accused Surat Jamal, and those buckets were supplied by the complainant party in the name of Assam Disaster Management Authority to the accused person. Thus, he is involved in earning illegal money by seeking Lordship. Now, Lordship, may kindly come to page 7, Lordship, the actual fact, Lordship, what happened, Lordship, of my petition, Lordship. Yeah, Lordship, the present petitioner know the accused Asim Das, Lordship, that the Asim Das is a prime accused. He told that he has some bucket in his godown and he want to sell the said bucket in a discount price of rupees 250 per buckets and provide some bucket to the present petitioner for sale. The present petitioner agreed with the accused Asim Das and sold the same 260 per bucket, and he got 10 rupees profit per bucket, Lordship. And he thought that the buckets are genuine and given from the godown, Lordship, by the
Yes.
prime accused person, Lordship. Lordship, already, Lordship, 34 days behind the bar, Lordship, all the prime accused, Lordship, Asim Das and B.N. Sharma and other, all the name accused already arrested, Lordship. He is the victim of this case, Lordship. He has taken, Lordship, only 10 rupees.
Short
profit,
it.
Lordship, and Holy Ramadan is going, Lordship.
Don't worry.
Then
Call for the
20,
CD, list the
24,
matter on. No.
24, Lordship.
Short it,
May kindly 24, Lordship.
26.
Much of that.
Item 7.
Lordship, and Lordship, this will take after some time. My senior is late on another court.
Item 8.
This is a Lordship. So Lordship, the engaged counsel is on legs. Maybe taken after 10 minutes. Your Lordship.
Okay.
Item 9.
This revision petition is filed against the order dated 21/2025, whereby the learned principal Judge Family Court has directed the payment of some outstanding amount, Your Lordship. In this case, earlier this honorable, the opposite party has also filed an application for modification of the order, and subsequently against the order of 21/9 of 16. The petitioner preferred a revision petition before this honorable court, and honorable already adjudicated the matter. Subsequently against, and in that order, Lordship, the honorable High Court has observed that the petition filed by the petitioner and for payment of amount is merged with the final order. Now they have again agitated the matter after honorable High Court's order, dated that is in 22/11/21. It is page 42, Lordship. Now, when he has went for depositing some other maintenance amount, the petitioner was directed to handed over one copy of the new petition and directed to immediately behind the back passed order to make payment of that amount without any hearing, without giving any opportunity of hearing. Otherwise, the honorable court cannot take entertain the petition because after final order of the honorable High Court. That is page 42, annexure 4, Lordship. Lordship. Page 44, relevant portion, paragraph 6. Six and 7 specifically mention about it. If the respondent aggrieved with it order, they have, she ought to have filed an appeal in appropriate forum, Lordship. Without filing an appeal, she again file an application before the learned court below.
This order was passed by this court and then they went back to the family court
Again,
again.
and again filed a petition, annexure 5, that petition, and on the same day, your learned court below passed the order.
Family court.
Family court, without giving any opportunity of hearing anything. The petitioner also sought for some time for filing objection, but did not allow. And behind the back, the order was because the litigants cannot see the order same day, Lordship, without obtaining certified copy. That is why next day, the petitioner filed an application on 21 to 25 for that objection petition that was not entertained by the court and directed to make payment. That already I have passed order. There is nothing to pass any objection petition in this case. Actually, the learned court below cannot entertain this petition after final order of the honorable court. If the respondent agreed, then she ought to have filed an appeal before the Supreme Court. Twenty-one 3/25 is the next date, Lordship, for making payment. Lordship, a notice may be issued, and in the meantime, stay the proceeding. He has been paying maintenance amount, he has been paying only regarding one outstanding amount. There is no order, such order to pay up other dues of the respondent.
What is your prayer here?
In my petition, Lordship, stay of the proceeding. That order dated 21/2025.
I can send it back to hear the
Lordship, there is
petitioner.
not- because learned court cannot entertain Lordship after adjudication of the matter. That may be adjudicated before this honorable court. He cannot entertain this petition. He has been suffering mental trauma, Lordship, due to harassment. Because so many litigation is pending before the Honorable High Court, in the Sessions Court and other courts. And for every day, he has to appear before the learned court below. He is directed to deposit the amount in the court itself without providing any account number of the respondent, Lordship. What is it? It is an arbitrary exercise of the power of the learned court below, Lordship. This may be adjudicated before the honorable. After adjudication of the matter in the same ground, they cannot file another application before the learned court below. There is no other proceeding pending, Lordship. Only one application filed by the petitioner to provide the account number, that is pending. Otherwise, all cases are disposed of in their family court, Lordship.
They filed this petition on 21.
On 21, yes, Lordship. 20th of January. It's on the same day the learned court below passed the order. He sought for some time for filing objection, but that was mentioned that he sought for time for making payment. Nowadays, husband and wife suffered a Lordship. I am also being a lady, I cannot say like that. But I have seen the condition.
This is former husband. He is the former husband, not the present husband.
No, she is not former.
He is the former husband.
No, she did not marry, but she is living with some other person. That is the case is pending before the Honorable High Court. Some other cases. May I take
But
with
you have
another-
showed no wife of some other person in the petition. Mitro Bhanu.
Yes, Lordship.
You have shown in the petition as wife of Mitro Bhanu. So her husband now is Mitro Bhanu.
Now she is living with that
Etu
person.
of course family matter hoy. Of course,
Lordship, now she is living. She
cannot hear you.
Earlier instruction was not followed. Whether any FI is lodged against.
Have you got any instruction?
Not yet lodged. So we have to take instruction. So fixed date
Report
has
as
to be
called for
reported.
is not received. Issue reminder, list the matter on. Lihila.
It's a criminal revision petition against conviction under section 138 of NI Act. The stake amount was roughly 1 lakh. The case of the complaint in that I took loan from him, and against that I have issued that check in question. And subsequently that was dishonored. So in my evidence, I have reduced DW also. In my evidence, I have clearly stated that my checkbook was lost in the year 2014 itself. While I was posting a special branch, some police as constable. And to that effect, I have lodged an FIR also with Dispur police station. I have that exhibited that FIR, and also I have wrote a letter to the SBI Dispur branch for stop payment. That letter also I have exhibited, and but learned courts below didn't find any merit in my case, and convicted me and for 6 months. It is moreover, the complainant in his evidence admitted that the check amount, the name, and dates all were filled up by him. This is a clear case of theft, lordship. This is my case. But this was I didn't Learned court didn't find any merit in my case, lordship, and convicted me. Okay, lordship, my only prayer is, lordship, notice may be issued and LCR may be called for. And I have also filed one IA for suspension of sentence. So already I have check amount is 1 lakh. I have already deposited 40,000 in the Learned Lower Appellate Court, and the complainant duly received that amount. I have a constable and I am in service still. So suspension may be sentence may be suspended.
Earlier you have filed an appeal and then you have filed a revision petition.
Yes.
So
My
appeal was dismissed by the district
It
judge.
was dismissed by the Learned Session, additional session judge.
Okay. Then you have deposited 20% of the
20%
for
of
pay, stay.
Yes.
There is an order
Here is an order. It was in the judgment of the
in the IA or in the
in the appellate court. It reflected that I have deposited 40,000 and that was received. In the appellate court judgment, it is clearly reflected. It is on page number
the compensation amount is 1 lakh,
2 lakh.
2 lakh.
Check amount was 1 lakh.
Where is the order?
Is appellate court judgment on page number 29. And the operative portion where it reflected that I have deposited 40,000 is on 49. Page number 49, it is reflected. Pair number 32. Page number 16 is my ID card also.
Yes, yes. Party? No.
No, that is not a party. It is this is CR case.
Learned Counsel, Mr.
P. Bora Lordship.
What?
P. Bora.
B. Bora is present for the appellant. Appellant to take steps to issue notice to the respondent. Returnable on date data video. Call for the trial court record of CR of trial court record of CR NI case number 13 of 2016 and the appellate court record of criminal appeal number 7 of 2021 from the respective courts at Golaghat. List on to dia hoise na date to ayat likhiba. Third Learned Counsel Mr. B. Bora for the applicant who has submitted that the although concurrent judgments are passed against him, yet appeal lies against the concurrent judgments and orders dated 3/7/2014 in connection with what are the dates?
Dates. Date of judgment. Date regarding the judgment. Date of judgment.
No. 3/7/2014. No. 3/12/2020 in connection with CR NI case number 13 of 2026 and
18/12/2024. Appellate court judgment.
judgment and order dated
18/12/24.
18/12/2024 in connection with criminal appeal number 7 of 2021. Full stop. It is submitted that both the courts have ignored the submission of the applicant and the petitioner that the petitioner had lost his checkbook, which was misused by the respondent. Full stop. It is further submitted that the petitioner has deposited 20% of the compensation amount already in the appellate court and the judgment dated 18/12/2024 in connection with criminal appeal number 7 of 2021 clearly reflects that the 20% of the compensation amount was already withdrawn by the respondent. It appears that stay of the operation of the impugned judgment and orders mentioned above may be granted. Therefore, the operation of the impugned orders dated operation of the impugned orders in connection with CR case number 13 of 2016 and criminal appeal number PSL number are stayed until further orders.
Obliged.
In terms of the above order, I stands disposed of.
Obliged.
Item 11.
Lordship, FIR is at page 9, Lordship.
Yes.
May I read it? The complainant begs to state that at about 4 months ago from today, my daughter Regina
Posco.
My
Notice.
notice
You have to
lordship,
issue notice.
already the FIR name accused person, accused number 2 and 3 got paid from.
Can't help it, you have to issue notice. Posco to, I have rejected any
No, already co-accused got paid from the Chanapin.
from this court, from my court.
Yeah.
সেইকাৰণে ইয়াত দিছে Learned Counsel Ms. S.K. Nagis is present for the petitioner and learned additional BP Mr. D.P. Goswami is present for the respondent state. Stop petitioner to take steps to issue notice to the respondent number 2 through the office of the PP returnable on date at a video. CD investigation is going on. Meanwhile, call for the scan copies of the trial court record along with the scan copies of the CD.
Obliged.
Yes, please, Your Lordship. It is very applicable, Lordship. Okay, the matter is relating to the land dispute between the relatives, Lordship. And the accused number 1, 2, 3, 4, and the informant are the brothers, Lordship. And
Where is
Petitioner
the
is the-
FIR?
is the Nikhil, Lordship.
FIR against you.
And case 11, Lordship.
Sashited.
Charge sheet में
Okay. You are absconders.
as per the-
Sashited under which sections?
the 326 are there.
Let us call for the scan copies of the trial court record along with the scan copies of the CD. List the matter on 9th April. We'll need the CD. AB. That is why we'll need the CD. I mean the trial court record.
Is the lordship? Chitra Metro, we have time being lordship. Can you raise another report?
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, this is a 482 application, Lordship. FIR is on page 8. Lordship, if I may read.
Yeah.
Page 8, annexure 1, Lordship. With due respect, I humbly submit that today at around 11 a.m., as soon as I reached the photocopy shop at Silarai Stadium, Borpara, Bongaigaon, the below mentioned accused started hurling various abuses at me. After that, the accused attacked my right hand with a sharp object, causing me serious injuries. The accused has also repeatedly threatened to kill me whenever he gets a chance. Now, Lordship, this named person is the owner of the shop. That is the photocopy shop, Lordship. This person, Lordship, the complainant, he came to his shop, he started ransacking his shop.
But his name is different here. You are appearing for Manobendra
Yes.
Das.
This,
And he is named as Mono.
yes, Manav Das. Manav Das. This is actually his real name is Manobendra Das. His name has been wrongly written in the FIR. Lord.
Under section 290, huh? 1182 is what? Sharp cutting or 325?
Earlier 326.
Earlier 326.
326. I am the shop owner, Lordship. I am the shop owner. This man came to my shop, started ransacking my shop, Lordship. I tried to stop him. That is my only thing.
Okay. Can be granted, I think. Third learned counsel, Mr.
P.K. Das.
P.K. Das for the petitioner Manavendra Das, who has filed his application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for pre-arrest bail as is apprehending arrest in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections. The allegation against the petitioner is that he has attacked the complainant with sharp weapon and caused grievous injuries on his hand. The learned additional PP, Mr. D.P. Goswami, has raised objection against the prayer for interim bail of the petitioner. Full stop. I have considered the submissions at the bar. Stop. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the complainant initiated the dispute as he came to the petitioner's shop and started ransacking the shop. Full stop. It has been falsely alleged that the complainant has sustained grievous injuries. It appears that interim bail may be granted to the petitioner. Call for the CD. List the matter on. In the interim and in the event of his arrest, the petitioner shall be enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 with a suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. Under the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the IO within 1 week and cooperate with the investigation. Number 2, the petitioner shall appear before the IO on every fortnight till completion of investigation. Number 3, the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which he is alleged and maintain the peace. Number 4, and the petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the court without prior permission. Stop. On breach of any of the bail conditions, bail order shall stand automatically cancelled.
Obliged.
May I be allowed?
Hmm.
Lordship, this case, Lordship, titles which was filed by the petitioner side. Thereafter, Lordship, after issuing getting the summons from the titles with Lordship, the informant side filed one after another FIR, Lordship, implicating the petitioner side. Page 9 is the FIR.
Please read.
The humble statement is that there is a pending land dispute to the FIR named accused person. Often the accused person threatened me and my family members of the consequences accordingly. Due to the fear on so a case under section 126 BNSS against the accused person was filed thereafter on so the accused person assaulted my brother, namely Ashfaquddin, causing grievous injuries on his person. And in this regard, on 11/11/2024, I lodged an FIR to the Ailani police station against the accused person, which is under investigation. Due to lodging of the said FIR, the accused person became more serious, and on 15/11/2024, all the accused persons in pre-planned manner with the intent to kill, armed with the Daud and Linja were sitting under the PD field, and at about 4 p.m. while my niece, namely Azmol Hussain Lotfar, age 28 years, was on the way to cut the grass for cow, the accused person suddenly attacked on him, and accused number 1 at first made a thou blow on his head while he fell down.
Okay. Let us call for the CD
Along with the injury.
along with the injury report. Call for the CD along with the injury report. List the matter on.
Lordship,
No.
there is a
No.
PA which is fixed on 28, Lordship. CD was for
Same case.
same case,
Same FIR.
same FIR. PA is
This
another.
court, my court.
Yes,
28 April.
28/3.
28 April. 28
3.
Along with BN number?
3 लिखी है.
Along with BA number 745 of
Call for the
2025.
CD, list the matter along on 28/3 along with BA number.
745 2025. Outline.
Item 16. May I please ask your lordship to pass about the matter for time being?
Item 17.
My lord, in this case, Lordship, it was earlier rejected by my lord. Korea.
What?
Yes, earlier this matter was rejected by my lord Justice Korea.
Please
So,
appropriate them.
appropriate bench.
She is there.
Yes, Lordship.
She is present today.
Till 21.
This week?
Till 21, she is present, Lord. Till 21, she is present, Lord.
Registry to list this matter before the appropriate bench.
Lordship on 21, Lordship, because only till 21 she is present.
I cannot fix
On
date
Friday.
for her. Huh?
On Friday, Lordship.
If doesn't turn up, then it will come to me. Don't worry. This is AB. Don't worry.
Yeah,
I cannot fix date for her.
May I please?
Hmm.
PSP electrician lordship, FR is at page 16 lordship. All the sections are available except section 78 subsection 2 lordship. Talking
I no FIR page number
16 lordship. Translated.
16. Yes. Okay, please read.
With due respect, I, Priyanka, the wife of Pranshul Patwari, address so and so. Humbly beg to state before your honor that the son of Sri Biswajit Day is at about 35 years history near us at block number so and so following me for 1.5 months, and with the events that he used firecrackers, alu bomb, in the beneath of our car parked below our house. In our absence, he used to blow pans in 2 of our new cars by making full the vehicles. Today, 1/3/2025, at about 9:15 a.m., while I was working in front of our house, the person concerned initially hit me with his scooty, and accordingly I fall down, for which I got severely injured. I came to know that the boy is mentally imbalanced and frequently tried to attack me. At present, I am staying with my 6-year-old son with apprehension. Therefore, your honor is requested to save me from it. The petitioner is a government servant, lordship. He is working in Railway, lordship, as senior auditor. Notice, please, madam. Notice. The police authority has served the notice to the petitioner twice, and he had appeared accordingly.
We'll call for the CD and after going through the CD, we'll consider the
He's a
bail.
government servant, Lordship, that is the
No, no.
difficulty. He's working in an railways, Lordship. If he is arrested, Lordship, he will put under suspension.
Short date, short date,
Lordship may give you short date, Lordship.
short date, yes.
Interim protection may be given. That is
What do you say?
Short date,
Short
it's
date.
it's from this-
Call for the CD list the matter on 27 March. Very short date, 27 March. Hardly any,
Lordship,
hardly a week left.
Lordship, he's a government servant, Lordship, that's why.
Can't help it. Allegations are not good.
That's correct, Lordship. But otherwise, he's a government servant. That is I
A
will.
woman with one 6-year-old child
That is correct.
feeling threatened by him.
By
not a
considering
good
his
allegation.
service career, Lord. That's why. Lordship may give a short date, Lordship. This interim,
A very short date, 27.
this interim protection may be given, Lordship. Kindly cut out the time being, Lordship. My scenario.
Item 20.
Please, Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, there is a page 12, Lordship.
Hmm.
This is the dispute is regarding land, Lordship, boundary of land. What happened on the day of the incident, Lordship, that is 13/1/25, the petitioners lodged an FIR against the complainant, Lordship. And having come to know about lodging of the FIR, the complainant on the next day, that is on 14/1/25, they lost the FIR. This is an afterthought, Lordship. So, Lordship, my humble prayer is all for the city and in the meantime, Lordship, some protection is,
Will lead the FIR.
yes. Translated copy, Lordship, I will read.
Hmm.
With due respect, it is to inform that the above named accused persons had enmity with our family members since last few days. Sometime the accused person tried to quarrel with us and also tried to assault us. On 13/1/25 at around 2:30 p.m., when my father is not at home, the accused persons enclosed a portion of our land for filling earth by tractor. And when I told the driver of the tractor not to fill earth, the above named accused number 1 and 6 started quarrel with me, abused me with filthy language, and beaten me. The accused number 1 pulled me and for which my throat torn. On hearing my loud scream, when my brother Zahirul Islam arrived there, the accused person also beat him, causing serious injury.
All right, all right, all right. Yes, yes. I think can be granted, I think.
Yes,
Heard Miss B. Devi,
beat it.
learned counsel for the petitioners. 5 জন আছে who have filed his application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for pre-arrest bail as they are apprehending arrest in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioners that earlier the, who has lost the Ejahat? Earlier Ejahat?
Petitioners, Lordship, petitioner number 6.
Earlier the petitioner number 6 had lodged an FIR against the informant and
Yes, and Lordship, that is at page 14, Lordship, FIR. Our FIR is at page 14.
not against, oh, against the informant and her family
Family
members.
members, Lordship.
As there was a dispute between both the parties on in pursuance of a land dispute, full stop. The earlier FIR is marked as Annexure 2,
Yes, Lord.
full stop. It is further submitted that this FIR was substantially lodged with false allegations by against the present petitioners, that the petitioners had assaulted the informant and her family members, causing serious injuries. Full stop. It is submitted that the petitioners are willing to cooperate with the investigation. Heard Mr. D.P. Goswami, learned additional PP Assam, who has raised serious objection against the prayer for interim bail. Full stop. It appears that I have considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection. It appears that interim bail may be granted to the petitioners. Call for the city list the matter on In the interim and in the event of their arrest, the petitioner shall be enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 each. আগৰ যে এটা interim order দিছিলো, একদম তেনেকে লিখি দিবা।
Macho.
Item 21. Your Honor, which also petition for previous paid Milot. The FIR, you will also be find at page 19. No, I'm sorry, 9. Detailed allegations are made, Milot, but in short, against the main accused, Milot, allegation is made that he made some false representations by putting pen cards and other things of different persons and obtain loan from the LIC insurance. And dear Milord, although I am nowhere connected with this, previously I knew him for my father's insurance loan. That was before 16. But after 16, Milord, petitioner, he became physically ill and therefore he stopped those business and has now been engaged in a cloth shop at Nalbari Bazaar. He has no connection since after 16, Milord, with that person. But the police somehow, Milord, called me and I appeared, Milord, at page 6. At paragraph 5, I mentioned, Milord. On 5/2/25, Milord, he went to the police station on being called, Milord, and he gave his statement. But now I am told, Milord, I'm getting information, Milord, they're searching for me. So apprehending arrest, Milord, I am approaching the Honorable Court, Milord. But nowhere I am mentioned anywhere in the FIR, Milord. Paper case, right? No connection. I pray for interim protection, Milord. Because I appeared once before the police. Particular portion you will also find at page 17 onwards. Giving details of some loans obtained through him. For the main accused, Milord. In none of these allegations, the petitioner is connected with the offense.
Okay, I'll pass an order later. I'll pass an order later.
Item 22.
May please allot. Peerless bail application allotted. FIR at page 7. Translated copy allotted.
Please read.
With due respect, we have to state that about 9-10 years back, I got married with the accused number 1, as per Muslim Sharia, and having one male child as at about 8 years. Since after the marriage, the accused numbers 1 and 2 have been inflicting torture both physically and mentally on me. The below named accused number 1 is my husband, and the accused number 2 is my father-in-law. The accused number 2 used to see on me with malicious motive. When I used to sleep on bed, he entered into my bedroom and he undressed me, and by pressing my mouth, touched my breast, then tried to commit rape on me. On several occasions, the accused number 2 tried to establish physical relationship with me, but somehow I saved myself. I tried to continue my conjugal life for the future prospectus of my son.
Let's call for the CD.
My lord, absolutely false allegation, your lordship. There
Call
is,
for the
there
CD.
is no
List the
date of,
matter on.
there is no date of occurrence. Your lordship may kindly bear us on annexure 3, your lordship. For a moment, your lord. Annexure 3.
No.
Item 23.
No point.
May please lord. My lord, allegation against my lord, father-in-law and my lord, brother-in-law, lordship. My lord, she demanded my lord, a concrete house, my lord, after by selling a plot of land, 1 bigha, lordship, only homestead, lordship. My lord, father-in-law, my lord,
Let
denied,
us call for the CD. Father-in-law.
lordship. Kindly see 2 dates, lordship. Allegation is, my
Call
lord.
for the CD. List the matter on.
My lord, every allegation is not true,
Maybe
lordship.
brother-in-law may be false. Father-in-law can be
Well,
true sometimes.
brother-in-law may be, my lord.
Item 24.
We will
My
go
lord,
to the
one may be
CD.
protected, lordship. My lord, asking is one, is maybe protected, lord. My lord, a short date. Short date.
কেতিয়া
before my-
দিছিলা date?
9th April.
9th
Well,
April,
before
অলপ আগত দি দিওঁ।
My lord, before 31st, lord. At least, my lord.
You will spoil the Eid of somebody and now you want to
Lordship,
enjoy
no.
Eid
My lord,
yourself.
CD will reveal, lordship, everything. Before 31st. How like?
Allegedly. Allegedly.
Huh.
Not I am saying that you have spoiled somebody. Say allegedly.
Lordship. How like?
Item 24.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, here the accused prisoner seek pre-arrest bail, and the FIR is at page 11, lordship. Okay.
Please read.
With due respect from the complainant, that on 15/12/24 at around 10:30 AM, out of revenge, under the instructions of accused number 1 and 2, other accused persons came to kill my son Mohammad Hussain Ali. With the help of sticks and sharp weapons, my son ran and was somehow able to save his life. Thereafter, they didn't stop at it and saw me near the house of Jaharuddin, alias Laden, son of late Aftabuddin and Dhakai Basti village, and make me run to the veranda of Jaharuddin house, and there the accused number 4 hit me at the right side of the head, injuring my head, which resulted in heavy bleeding. During that time, my brother, Mohammad Ainul Haq, came to rescue me from the hands of the accused persons, and accused number 3 hit him at the forehead above the eyes, which resulted in heavy bleeding, and the other accused persons hit him at different parts of his body with sticks and severely injured him, made him unconscious, and took the below mentioned mobile phone. It is to mention that the accused persons broke the electricity cable and tried to touch the cable, but with the initiative of other people, couldn't do it. Thereafter, my son Mohammad Hanifa and Mohammad Hussain Ali quickly in an e-rickshaw took the 2 injured persons to Dhing Primary Health Center. But as their conditions were serious, they were taken to Nagaon Medical College. Mohammad Ainul Haq was given some tests to be done by Nagaon Medical College, and he was admitted at Nagaon Aditya Hospital. But as the expenses are high at private hospitals, for which he was once again admitted at Nagaon Medical College, and at present
Yes, yes, yes.
CD about injury.
We'll need the CD.
Lordship, I have to submit. Lordship, the fact is that both of the informant and the accused petitioners belong from the same family and they are related. They have a past dispute regarding a plot of land, Lordship. That is the main issue. And Lordship, what has happened on that day is mentioned at page 5, para 5, Lordship.
No, it's okay. They have a land dispute, it's okay, but there are injuries
No, Lordship, it is just an
inflicted on
alleged injury.
head.
No, Lordship, Lordship, the accused petitioners have also filed a FIR immediately after lodging of the FIR. And
No,
if Lordship-
immediately after will not work. Maybe before it would have worked, but after no,
no,
it won't
Lordship,
work.
in the cross FIR, the cases registered against the informant are under section 74.
We'll call for the CD with
And
the
if-
injury report.
Lordship, in time
If
protection,
there is a simple injury, we'll grant you bail.
Lordship, in time protection may be granted.
No. See, there is injury on the head. The person may die also, you never know. If
Lordship-
there are injuries on the head,
Lordship,
sometimes
accused
people do
petitioners
die.
have also injury and I have annexed the medical documents, Lordship. 4 of the accused persons are severely injured and all of them have been given treatment at the Naga Medical College and accordingly I have annexed the Lordship medical document. And Lordship, if Lordship goes,
They will also not get bail.
Lordship, they have already,
These people will also not get bail.
Lordship, they are entering the bail, Lordship. And Lordship, if Lordship goes to para 5 or page 5, Lordship, here is the actual fact is mentioned, Lordship. Lordship, let me read.
There is a head injury.
Lordship, that is not the.
And see, if the injuries were minor injuries, if this is a false case, there is allegation that earlier they went to the primary health center. From there, that injury being severe, they were sent to this Nagaon Civil Hospital. So let
Lordship-
us call for the
Lordship,
CD
may
along
be-
with the
CD may be
injury.
called Lordship, but Lordship shall go through the Lordship actual fact, which is mentioned at point 5. para-
Actual fact, we do not know. I don't want to know also actual fact. Let us call for the CD along with the injury
Lordship,
report.
in
Short date.
protection shall be granted
No,
because
no,
because 6 of the members are, 7 of the members are from the same family. Son, brother.
But they all held him, and then one hit him on the head.
No, Lordship. Lordship, point 5, page 5, Lordship. That the accused petitioner most respectfully begs to state that on 15,
Just
12,
a moment,
24.
just a moment. I'll read the FI once more. Page, which page?
Now, Lordship, I'm
FI
looking-
said which page?
Lordship,
FIR?
Lordship, FI is at page 11, translated.
I'll read the FI once more.
But Lordship, I have narrated the entire facts in point 5, page 5, Lordship, para 5.
No,
Lordship, may I read-
I do not want to go all through all this. So when you try to attack somebody with a live wire, what type of offense is
Lordship,
this?
no, that is not at all true, Lordship. The
Okay, I'll
Lordship-
come back then. Maybe 3 and 4 instead of 3 and 4. Maybe others can be granted. Maybe
Lordship,
come back and pass an order.
Lordship,
I'll
Lordship,
come
the
back
section,
and
Lordship, all available section, and they have alleged that they have stolen a mobile phone, and that is the only issue, Lordship. If Lordship goes to para 5, page 5, Lordship. May I read, Lordship?
yes.
Lordship, that the accused petitioners most successfully state that on 15/12/24 at around 7 in the morning, a goat belonging to the informant came to the garden of the accused petitioner number 6 and was eating plants from his garden. When the accused petitioner number 6 saw it, he went to the house of the informant and informed him about the incident. But the informant, instead of acting upon it positively, came to the house of accused number 6 and started shouting at him with derogatory words. The informant came with bamboo sticks and started assaulting the accused petitioner number 6. And when he started shouting for help, his brother, namely Rahmatullah Ahmed, niece Beauty Ahmed, his wife Junara Begum, his sister-in-law Junara Begum, came for his rescue, but the informant also assaulted them. The accused petitioner further submits that one of the person also tear off his niece's clothes, injured on her left hand, also threatened to kill them. And thereafter, the accused petitioner number 6 Lordship lodged an FIR being PS, stating about the entire incident and registered as FIR number 266 of 24 and registered under section 296, 117, clause 2,
Okay.
74.
Okay, yes.
Allegation against, it is just yes, allegation against 3 and 4 is serious.
They will
from here-
not be granted interim bail. The others may be granted.
Lordship.
3 and 4 won't be granted interim bail. Third learned counsel, Mr.
G.R. Singha, Lordship.
G.R. Singh,
Lordship,
for the petitioners 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 who have filed this application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for pre-arrest bail as they are apprehending arrest in connection with so and so PS case under so and so sections. And Mr. D.P. Goswami, learned additional PP, who has raised serious objection against the petitioner's prayer for interim bail. Stop. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioners that a false case has been brought up against them. Full stop. On the contrary, the informant had initiated a dispute relating to cattle destroying, relating to a goat eating plants from his garden. Full stop. An FIR was also lodged by the who has lodged the FIR?
Lordship, accused number 6, Lordship. Safiullah.
Accused number 6 against the informant and his family members. And this FIR has been registered as what PS case?
Lordship, Ding PS case number
Being PS case
266
number
of
266 of 2024. I have considered the submissions. First off, there are allegations against the petitioners. Full stop. Overt act has been attributed to the petitioner number 3, Usman Ali, and petitioner number 4, Rahmat Ullah. Full stop. The victims have sustained injuries on the head and on forehead. Full stop. It is also submitted that the petitioners are that the offense alleged against the petitioners are basically bailable offenses except section which one?
Lordship, section for theft has been also imposed upon them. Or they believe that a mobile phone.
What
has
is the
been
section
stolen.
for theft here?
But there is a
3?
303 clause 2, Lordship.
303
So,
except section 303 within bracket 2 bracket close. Considering the submission, it appears that except The petitioner number 3 and 4, the other petitioners may be granted interim bail. Call for the city, list the matter on. In the event of the arrest, the petitioners, number 1, Abdullah Ahmed, number 2, Shahjahan Ali, number 5, Arif Ahmed, number 6, Sofiullah, and number 7, Ijaz Ahmed, may be enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 each with a suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority under the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the IO within 1 week and cooperate with the investigation. Number 2, the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which they are alleged and maintain the peace. Number 3, the petitioner shall appear before the IO on every fortnight till completion of investigation. And number 4, the petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the court without prior permission. Stop. On breach of any of the bail conditions, the bail order shall automatically stand cancelled. The petitioner number, the petitioner number 3, Usman Ali, and the petitioner number 4, Ramatullah Ahmed are not granted interim bail.
Pending item 13.
May I please, your lordship, I have to inquiry lordship in respect of petitioner number 3 and 4. Their bail will be considered on the subsequent date depending upon the city lordship.
Yes.
Obliged.
Item 13.
Lordship, here, 520 BNS, sorry, 482 BNS application. Here, this application has been filed on anticipation, Lordship. What has happened due to certain dispute with one Rumidas, an affair was lost under Lamling police station. And in the name of investigation, petitioner was harassed by the police. So, Lordship, however, the police did not disclose the case number and affair details. That is why, Lordship, on anticipation, this application being filed, Lordship. So, at this stage, I just pray, Lordship, a report from the Lamling PSD call that disclosing the affair details and all. That is my prayer, Lordship, at this stage. I'm not pressing for any interim at this stage.
Ms. T. Som, learned counsel for the petitioner, Ashish Kumar De, and learned additional PP, Mr. D.P. Goswami, call for a report from Lamding PS. Lamding PS, if any criminal case has been registered against the present petitioner, list on.
Pending item 16.
I'm up.
Milord, I was on leg. Milord, may I be pleased to find the FIR, Milord, is at page 16. Translated copy, Milord.
Yes.
My lord can take up the vernacular, Milord, then simply page 17. প্রতি মাননীয় আগমনী থানার ভারপ্রাপ্ত বিষয়া মহোদয়লৈ সমীপিত বিষয় এজাহারকারী স্বয়ঞ্চ বয়স স্বয়ঞ্চ সন্মানপূর্বক বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে আজি 10/2/2024 তাৰিখে আবেলি মোৰ মোবাইল নম্বৰ স্বয়ঞ্চত এজন অচিনাকি ব্যক্তিয়ে মোৰ মোবাইল নম্বৰ স্বয়ঞ্চ মোক ফোন কৰি কলেজ ইলেকশ্যনৰ বিষয়লৈ বহুত বেয়া ভাষাত মোৰ লগত কথা কয় আৰু নানান ধৰণৰ ভাবুকি দিয়ে উক্ত অচিনাকি ফোন নম্বৰৰ পৰা মোৰ বান্ধৱী কেইজনকো ফোন কৰিছে গতিকে মহোদয় উক্ত ঘটনা তদন্ত কৰি যথাবিহিত ব্যৱস্থা লোৱাৰ প্ৰাৰ্থনা জনালো my lordship has found that no person's name has been shown in the affair, only a mobile number has been recorded. Now this person, my lord, has been apprehended by the police and my lord, he has been forwarded. My lord, may be pleased to find the forwarding report is at page 22. The ground of arrest, my lord, has been found that the accused issued threats to the complainant using the phone number, so and so creating fear for her safety, which constitute criminal intimidation. The accused used obscene or the abusive language intending to insult the complainant's modesty, a punishable offense. This is the only, my lord. And number 3 is the accused repeatedly called and harassed the complainant on her female friend. The accused were not released on bail due to absence of a proper bailer. Under the above ground, the below noted accused person has been arrested into the case
That's during the investigation where the accused
These are
was-
bailable offenses.
My lord, it appears to be, my lord, but the only thing is that now,
Then this is not maintainable, no?
my lord, that is, I have gone for the provision, my lord, but what my apprehension is that what is in the case diary, whether they have added any other sections or not, because my father, my lord, went to the police station to inquire about in my absence, and they said that there is no option left. We have to remand you. We have to forward you to the chief judicial magistrate. Court will give the bail. Now that is the position, my lord. Maybe some added sections may be there in the FIR. We have not found any.
No, but it is mentioned, no? They could not find bailer. That is why they were
No,
not.
that is correct, my lord. The earlier person who has been, my lord, could not be released on bail from the police only because of the proper bailer, my lord. That is the ground shown. But, my lord, in my case, as the police is, my lord, is saying that I cannot be released on bail on my appearance in the police station, even after, my lord, my father appeared.
Then call for a CD and find.
My lord can examine, my lord. If it is found nothing is there, then we will follow the due process of law.
Call for a CD, list the matter on.
Miles. Oblige.
Yes.
It's an anticipatory bail application.
Mm.
One of the FIR is at page 11, but there's some grammatical error in the translation. Could I give a better copy? But it's almost the same, only some grammatical.
It's okay.
Mostly.
Mm.
Well, the page 11, Mr. Lordship comes to. We do respect this is to inform you that the informant is a girl aged 20 years and a resident of the aforesaid locality. The aforesaid accused person residing as a forest guard.
Page 11, no?
11.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
With due respect, this is to inform you that the informant is a girl aged 20 years and a resident of the aforesaid locality. The aforesaid accused person residing as a forest guard in Gormore, and he had introduced with the informant through phone. The accused person, after introduction with the informant, induced to marry her and gain her confidence, messaged her in phone, and had physical relationship with her for 6-7 times, and actually fed her tablets to destroy fetus in her womb. On the other hand, he induced to marry the informant and stay separately, and also threatened the informant through messages to commit suicide. His corrections are required, my lord. If he does not,
You wrong is present for the appellant.
Yeah.
Amicus curiae. Amicus curiae. No.
no, my lord, please,
He is present for the appellant. Learned additional PP, Mr. K. Bosho is present for the respondent state. Appeal is admitted. Petitioner to take steps to issue notice to the respondent number 2 through the office of the PP.
my lord.
Through the office of the PP. Returnable within 4 weeks or 2 weeks. 4 weeks. Call for the LCR. Call for the trial court records. List accordingly.
Oblige.
Item 31. Item number 31.
GLA please again.
Here in this matter, a report was called from my lord regarding the Chinma petition matter.
Mm.
That report, my lord, we have not received. But my lord, in the arising out of the main case, my lord, my lord, the bail petition was moved, my lord. Because of that, my lord, CD is available in our office. I have gone through the CD also regarding that part that is not
The
available.
report is not
So, my
received.
lord, may allow us to send back the
Yes,
CD and
yes.
get a
Send back
report
the CD. Petitioner is not represented. CD is received. But report regarding the what? Report
My lord,
regarding
Chinma of the vehicle, my lord.
report regarding the vehicle seized in connection with this case has not been received. Send back the CD. Call for the report.
My lord. Deeply.
Item 32.
Lordship, for 23 Lordship, the criminal appeal Lordship. So here Lordship, fact is Lordship, the affair lodged with the informant Lordship, section only.
Will admit it is a statutory appeal. Will admit it. Learned counsel, Mr.
RC
RC Doctor is present on behalf of the appellant under POSCO Act. POSCO Act.
No Lordship, Lordship, I 324 Lordship.
324.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Do you have
And-
any bail petition?
Yes, Lordship.
Or you are moving the bail petition?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. All right.
So Lordship, here the allegation Lordship, when the tussle among the both parties, Lordship, the informant fell down over the hard surface Lordship. Therefore, the incident was occurrence was happened in the backside of the head lordship. So therefore is the allegation only for lordship the 294 lordship initially this lordship. FIR peace lordship 17 lordship.
No, FIR not required. I'll just read the judgment.
Yes, lordship.
You have annexed the judgment along
Yes,
with the bail
yes,
petition?
lordship. Peace 9 lordship. Peace 9 1 2. Lordship, here lordship the prosecution all the so 1 year's convicted lordship by the district and session judge Karpi Anglong lordship. The prosecution number 6 lordship, which is clearly defined as doctor witness lordship. So only the simple injury lordship. There is no any found any witness lordship. Can you see the prosecution number 6 lordship in the criminal appeal lordship is 48 lordship. The charge frame lordship the 324 lordship. So the PW1 lordship did not see any kind of the occurrence lordship when the incident occurred lordship. And the prosecution number 2 lordship also contradictory lordship. The 8 number prosecution lordship, the all prosecution are very much contradictory lordship. So the prosecution number 6 is a doctor with
Just
a
a
lordship.
moment.
Can you see the piece?
Just a moment. Please sit down.
I thought only one point, my lord. I thought here, my lord, that is the appeal was already, my lord, that is dismissed by the, my lord, Planet Session Judge. Again, my lord, it should be, my lord, criminal revision, man. Because, my lord, this is earlier the appeal was but against the appeal, my lord. Here, my lord, maybe wrongly, my lord, this typographical mistake, it is
Yes,
criminal
yes.
appeal, my lord.
No, but it has been under section 374. That's why it has been registered as appeal. That in the petition it's
That part is absent.
written as 374 part 2.
Yes, sir. 374 subclause 3. Appeal against the country.
I think they did not check properly. I think they did not check properly.
My lord. Because, my lord,
One thing is the lordship. 374 official constable 374 subclause 3 of the criminal procedure. So, the
It has to be a revision.
my lord. My lord, appellate, my lord, judgment appeal was by, my lord, on the,
sorry for that.
10 to 25, my lord.
The
Trial court judgment was, my lord, that is JMFC first class, Bukajan, Karbi Anglong, my lord.
yes. And that judgment is upheld by the district and session judge Karbi Anglong Lordship. So I came against that particular judgment, Lordship. Against the convict.
It has to be a, fortunately,
Lordship, I may allowed to.
it has to,
I may allowed to withdraw.
you cannot withdraw. Like civil, you cannot withdraw. You'll have to
But
give a
is there-
finding. You can convert it, but
Yes.
cannot withdraw.
Yes, yes. I may allowed.
You can convert it. You
Yes.
take a date and you get it converted
Yes,
to an application.
Master. I'm sorry for that.
As agreed by the learned counsel for both the parties, list the matter after 1 week, 2 weeks,
1 week, sir.
1 week.
Master. I'm sorry.
Any short
May
submission? Yes.
May I have one urgent missing because I have a medical emergency. A supplementary item 53, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
So it is the NDPS case, my lordship. Kindly call for the case diary within a short date.
53.
It is from Hatigam PS. Petitioner behind bar last 32 days, Your Lordship. She is a lady of 58 years, Your Lordship.
Harry dated April or dated? Not earlier than that.
It is from Hatigam.
No,
Exactly, she is not the
no, cannot.
accused, my lord.
You see, today also I won't be able to finish cases.
Second of all.
Lordship, item 45. In this respect, the CD has not been received, Lordship. Interim may be continued. Lordship. Item 45.
Serious call for is not received. We should reminder list the matter on data there. Interim order shall remain in force till then.
Highly obliged.
Item number 35, my lord, it's a regular bail petition, my lord. Today is called for, but today is not received, my lord, I have checked. And today is 36 days and mandatory period is 60 days, my lord. A short date may be given.
CDS call for is not received. Issue reminder. You are on interim bail.
No, it's a regular bail, my lord.
Or regular.
36
okay.
days behind bar, my lord,
Okay,
60 days mandatory. A short date may be given, my lord. It's Nagaon.
3rd April.
Highly obliged.
Appeal is the statutory appeal, my lord. IBS conviction.
We'll admit it.
Not today it has come for admission along with bail, my lord. So they are going to be, my lord, the IBS is there, your lordship may consider bail also, my lord.
Yes, I'll take up the bill.
My lord?
I'll take up the bill. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Afternoon then.
Huh?
Afternoon or some other day.
Item number 55.
Oh,
It has come for admission, my lord.
okay.
You also will admit statutory appeal, my no problem. About the bail, my 5 years, his exam is on 24th. He starts
Then I'll take it up in the afternoon.
after. Only you also can allow me. We have a meeting in the back of my lord.
Okay, okay. You have a meeting.
So we'll
Yes,
come, my
I
lord.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
You'll come at 5.
Another meeting is there about shifting, my lord, today.
Okay, okay. So what to do now?
So if possible, madam, but I am sorry that I maybe cause inconvenience to your lordship, madam.
Now, if you want to submit, then it will take at least 50.
Yes. So, madam,
I
I
will
will
be
tell my
coming-
junior, my lord, Mr.
Huh?
Ahmad, he will do.
Yes, yes, he will submit. Yes.
Fine.
Okay.
Obliged.
But Lordship, fact is that I filed an AB, Lordship. CD is called. In the meantime, petitioner is arrested. Now it is for withdrawal, Lordship. Mentioning for withdrawal for tomorrow, Lordship, because tomorrow we'll file a bail application before the learned court below. I'm sorry, Lordship, for untimely mentioning. For withdrawal, Lordship.
I don't think so. You'll be able to mention because it's written here only. So I cannot allow. It's written in this. Whatever is written, I cannot allow. 10:30, I cannot allow. Whatever is written here, I'll have to abide by this.
Item 7.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, extremely sorry. There is a humble prayer. Lordship, in item number 53, we have Lordship has already passed an order fixing on 2nd of April. Lordship, can it be on 28th of March because my senior will be out of station for medical emergency?
I must have thought about something and passed the order.
Lordship, this is transfer petition. My lord, the petitioner seeking transfer of a complaint case from the court of SDGM North Salmara Obhaipuri to SDGM Goalpara. My lord. That is page 42 is the a copy of the complaint, my lord. My lord, dispute between husband and wife. I am the husband, and my wife, my lord, who is the respondent here, filed this criminal case against me and my father, mother, and my cousin, my lord, under section 498A IPC, my lord. The allegation in this case, my lord, two types, my lord.
It is pending in Abhayapuri.
Abhayapuri, my lord. My
Uh,
ground, my lord, kindly
You are
see.
from which place?
I am from Gwalpara.
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 Near Gwalpara is near Abhayapuri.
But my lord, what
You are the
happened?
man,
Yes,
husband,
my
isn't
lord.
it?
There is some ground, my
We
lord.
should notice.
My lord, my lord, kindly bear with me.
No.
It's valid ground, my lord. Already,
Man, isn't she?
man, my lord. But his life threat is there, my lord. I am showing, my lord. His life threat is there, my lord. Otherwise, I'll have already another transfer petition is pending, my lord, before this court, and this court was pleased to
No,
pass
I'll issue notice.
interim order, my lord.
I'll issue notice.
Lordship,
We'll think about it.
my lord, also state the proceeding.
No.
My lord, the valid ground, my lord. I'll my lord, kindly bear with me. Only one document, my lord, I'll show. My lord, later on, my lord, lordship kindly have a look, my lord. Page 34, kindly for a moment. My lord, a dangerous situation is going on, my lord. At any time, my lord, if he goes to Abhayapuri, my lord.
Don't go.
That is there, my lord. Already there in the court's order itself, my lord, replied, my lord, page 34, my lord, kindly see. May I read, my lord? It is in respect of another case, and the transfer petition is before this honorable court pending, and this court has stayed the proceeding, my lord. I'll show, my lord, page 34, kindly see, dated 26/4/2024, my lord, between the petitioner and the respondent, my lord. Accused person Syed Sirazul Haq is absent. Seen petition number so filed by Learned Defense Council, whereby it is submitted that an untoward incident took place today at his chamber inside the premise of the court, during which a fight ensued between the accused and the informant of this case, after which the same was stopped by the concerned police personnel of the office of the prosecution inspector of this court. In view of submissions made in so petition, the concerned
This petitioner is a doctor.
Lordship.
Chamber? What
Chamber advocate chamber in the court premise, my lord. When I appeared and made the advocate, my lord, he with her goons, my lord, attacked on me. Thereafter, my lord, a petition was filed before the learned court below. That is page, my lord, kindly see page 35, my lord. The my lord, may I read, my lord? The above noted case was fixed today, and the below named accused person, after giving Hazira in the court at 10 a.m., I was sitting in chamber of the advocate's clerk. In the meantime, the informant of this case, accompanied by some other person, trespassed chamber of the advocate's clerk and started quarrel with the accused Sirazul Haq with slang languages and beaten him up by catching his chest. Moreover, the informant, with the help of other miscreants, tried to kidnap the accused person from the clerk's chamber. Observing this, some advocates tried to prevent the informant, but she misbehaved with them along with the advocate's clerk. Thereafter, my lord, this order has been passed, my lord. Now, my lord, the transfer petition of that case, my lord, that is pending. My lord, this court has passed some order. Page 38.
Just a moment. This is another case.
Yes, my lord. Another case, and the transfer petition is pending. Page 38, my lord. Kindly see this court's order, my lord. Lordship has seen page 38, Annexure C. My lord, Syed Sirazul Haq is the present petitioner. Zohra Parvin, my lord, respondent. Dated 12/7/2024. So and so, my lord. Page 39, my lord. By this application filed under section 447 of Bharatiya Nagarik, it was stayed. Now, same parties and the cases are, my lord, almost similar allegations are bringing every time. So many cases, my lord, filed one after another. I have annexed all those.
This
Some
is
of the
under which
cases,
section?
my lord.
Which section?
This is another section, but 498A, another case is pending before the court of CGM Gwalpara, my lord. That I have annexed page, lordship. Page 54. Page 54. This is also 498A, my lord.
This incident occurred in the court of South Salmara,
Yes,
Abhayapuri.
my lord. Yes, my lord.
And this case is in Gwalpara.
Gwalpara.
So
So,
that is not the same place, no?
no,
not the
I
same
am,
place.
therefore, my lord, I am
So this
sitting
woman will have so many goons up to Gwalpara, South
Gwalpara, my lord. It will convenient for all of the respondent also. She is the resident of Gwalpara now. My lord, she is working as an A&M
Now
now,
you want the case in?
my lord.
You want the case to be transferred to?
To Gwalpara. My lord.
Then how he is
She is at
apprehending?
Gwalpara, my lord. She is working at Gwalpara. And I am also a resident of Gwalpara. In Abhayapuri, my lord, her parents' house is there. And every time, my lord, she is threatening me if I went
This
there.
this case is in South Salmara.
South Salmara. And
The
not
incident
Salmara, sorry,
occurred
my
in
lord. Not Salmara, Abhayapuri.
North Salmara, Abhayapuri.
Abhayapuri.
And the incident occurred in North Salmara.
North Salmara court campus itself.
Okay. So you do not want to appear in
My
North
lord.
Salmara. Okay, then they can be granted, I think. Third
Yes.
learned counsel, Mr.
M. Ali.
M. Ali for the petitioner. Naam to Divan Alai, huh? Who has filed this application for transfer of
CR case number 70/2024.
73 of 24.
70.
70.
70, my lord.
70 of 2024 pending in the court of the learned SDGM within bracket M bracket close North Salmara at Abhayapuri. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that SLEW of cases have been filed against the petitioner by the respondent number 2 to stop the annexure. What is the order annexed as?
My lord, page 34, annexer. Page 34.
You have not marked it as annexure.
Annexer 4, my lord. It is a part of annexer 4. Page 30.
The annexure 4 of the petition is the order dated 26/4/2024. And annexure 5 is the petition filed by the petitioner. Full stop. Both these petitions are in connection with another case being. What is the case
The
number?
PRC case number 3337/2022.
Arising out of? Okay, PRC case number full stop. It has been it is submitted that the annexure 4, order dated 26/4/2024 passed by the learned SDGM M North Salmara at Abhayapuri clear, and the petition marked as annexure 5 of the petition clearly reflects that the respondent number 2 accompanied by some miscreants assaulted the petitioner. Full stop. It is submitted that the petitioner is apprehending that his life may be in danger if he has to appear before the court at North Salmara, Abhayapuri. It is submitted that the respondent number 2 works as A&M nurse in Gwalpara, and it will not be to her inconvenience, and she won't suffer from, and she won't face any inconvenience if all the cases are transferred to Gwalpara. Full stop. Third learned additional PP Mr. DP Goswami for the respondent state. Stop. Issue notice to the respondent number 2, returnable within 4 weeks. Call for the records are not required. Actually, records are not required. Meanwhile, the proceeding of CR case number, what is the case number? 70?
70/2024.
2024 pending in the court of the SDGM M North Salmara, Abhayapuri, Please stay till the next date. Till the next date of listing. List accordingly.
Obliged, highly obliged.
May I please stop this? Accusation against the petitioner is rape of a 40-year girl, physically impairment girl. Not this. As on that petitioner is behind the bar for 70 days.
You have the CD? Bail hearing?
CD has already been received.
POSCO or what? POSCO or 370?
No POSCO, 40 years girl.
Huh?
Girl is aged about 40 years.
40 years?
40 years.
Girl?
Girl, physically impaired girl. Physically impaired female girl. Physically
Pero off করে দিয়াচোন, off করে দিও।
that is not available in the case there.
CDs received without the PM report. Send back the CD. Call for the up-to-date CD along with the PM report. List the matter on.
Hello.
Sipa there. You can withdraw this case. Learned counsel for the petitioner has prayed for withdrawal of this petition.
36.
36. Heard Mr. D.P. Goswami, learned additional PP Assam. Petition is dismissed on withdrawal.
We have received the case, they return the case.
Send back the case diary.
Deeply obliged. May it please, your lord. My lords. That regular bail application, my lord. Lordship may kindly see page number 2. The petitioner, my lord, is the Mutawali of a Waqf estate. And he was appointed for management of the Waqf.
Page number 2.
2.
Where is it written? Mutawali, okay.
Mutawali.
Page number 3, that
Yes.
is page
Yes.
number 3, para 2.
Yes. Thereafter, my lord, what happened was that, my lord, there were several rounds of litigation between the present petitioner and the former Mutawali. The former Mutawali was Javed Kaiser, my lord. And the present petitioner also filed civil suit against the former Mutawali. That, my lord, is at page number 41.
Is behind bars for how many days?
20 days, madam. I'm coming to that.
Just a moment. He is behind bars for 20 days. What
Yes.
is the offense?
My lord, outraging the modesty.
And you have the CD. You have the CD.
Yes. So basically,
Outraging the modesty of
a particular tenant.
tenant.
The thing is that, my lord, we also obtained
What
an
is
injunction.
the punishment?
Actually, he is from Moriga, Lordship, Kamrup, Goroi Mari.
To jurisdiction of the court shall not leave the jurisdiction of the court to Katikia.
Highly obliged.
Last order.
Highly obliged.
39. Lordship is not an interim. Absolute serious corporate is not.
CDS call for is not received. We should remind the list the matter on. Interim order shall remain in force till then.
Item 40.
May I please, your lordship. Now, the petitioner before your lordship, husband and wife. The wife is on interim bail. And my lord, the affair is page 10. 3 person name in the affair. The affair name accused number 1 is the son of the present petitioner. And son is already arrested. He is in the bar, my lord.
Please read.
My lord, the affair I am reading, page 10. Informant respectfully begs to state that on 13/1/2025 evening at about 4:30 p.m. my younger brother Munnaf Ali, while going to shop near our house, the above named accused person demanded money from my brother to consume pav. When my brother denied to give demanded money, then the accused person, having sharp weapon, attacked my brother in the stomach with the intention to kill him and seriously injured him. Immediately, my brother was admitted to the Hajo Medical College Hospital. Since the injury was serious, doctor referred to the GMCH better treatment. At present, my brother is in ICU of GMC in serious condition.
What do you have? Injury report? Do you have the injury?
My
report?
lord, I have received the case there, my lord, without injury report, my lord. Yes, my lord, lordship, it is clear, my lord. One, petitioner number 2 is interim, my lord. Yes.
My lord, what happened?
Manav Ali.
My lord.
Mother, father, and son.
Yes, but actually,
Just a
this
moment.
was with son, my lord. We subsequently attend there, but we have not seen the incident.
You are for the father and the mother.
Yes, my lord. And son, we have handed over the police, my lord. Maksud, gimana sih, Pak? Cari tahu.
Can be granted. Somehow somehow he got saved. Thank God.
Yes.
Otherwise, it would have been a murder case. They are not involved.
Yes. Other witnesses are also said, yes, my lord.
No,
At this place of occurrence there.
that son is involved.
My lord. Petition number 2 is, my lord.
So, two is on it.
After
I'll make it. Absolute. It will be made absolute.
Right.
Our learned counsel, Mr. N. Uddin, for the petitioners, 1 and 2, who have filed this application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for prioress bail, as they are behind bars or as they are apprehending arrest in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections. The allegation is that on the day of the incident, the petitioner's son attacked the victim with sharp weapon, causing grievous injuries on his abdomen. Full stop. The victim had to be shifted to GMCH, no?
my lord. Yes, yes.
GMCH for recovery. Full stop. The victim, I have scrutinized the statement of the victim in the case diary. Considering all aspects, petition is allowed. In the event of his arrest, the petitioner number 1, Mokibur Rahman, shall be enlarged on bail of rupees 50,000 with a suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority under the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the IO within 1 week and cooperate with the investigation. Full stop. The interim bail granted to the petitioner number 2. When was she granted interim bail? On 7/2/2025. By the order dated. By the order is hereby made absolute under the same terms and conditions.
Right.
Send back the CD.
Right.
I'm obliged.
In terms of the above observation, petition stands disposed of legally.
Item number 42 and 43. May I please, your lord? I'm for item number 42 and he's for 43. 43 is on interim, lordship. I'm on interim. So, lordship, what happened in this case, lordship? 2 persons were arrested, lordship, on suspicion that might be their cow thief, lordship, cow rustler. It was suspicion only, lordship. Otherwise,
Where is
lordship, cows were very much intact in their cow.
Where is the FIR?
FIR is a lordship page number 9.
Same case.
Same thing. So, cows were intact in the cow shed, lordship. No cows were stolen. It was suspicion only that they might be cow thief. So thereafter, lordship, 2 persons were arrested and handed over to the police. Thereafter, lordship, on the basis of their
Page
statement,
9.
relevant person is lordship 11.
11, Lordship.
Please read the FIR.
Lordship, vernacular order type.
Whatever you want to read.
Lordship, that page number 13, Lordship. সন্মানপূৰ্বক বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে আজি ৰাতি প্ৰায় 3:30 মান বজাত মোৰ গৰু গোহালিৰ পৰা 4টা গৰু 5জন ব্যক্তিয়ে মনে মনে চুৰি কৰি পলাই গৈ থকা অৱস্থাত মোৰ ভাতৃ অমল প্ৰজাই দেখা পাই চিঞৰ বাখৰ লগোৱাত তেওঁলোকে গৰুকেইটা লৈ পলাই যায় যদিও তাৰে দুজনক গাঁৱৰ স্থানীয় ৰাইজে কৰায়ত্ব কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হয় যিহেতু আমাৰ ডিজু অঞ্চলত বহুদিনৰ পৰাই ক্ৰমে গৰু চুৰি হৈ আহিছে যাৰ ফলত স্থানীয় ৰাইজ উত্তেজিত হৈ তেওঁলোকক মাৰধৰ কৰে এনে হুলস্থুলীয়া পৰিৱেশত মোৰ ভাতৃও আঘাতপ্ৰাপ্ত হয় পৰিস্থিতিৰ ওপৰত লক্ষ্য ৰাখি আমি কৰায়ত্ব কৰা চোৰ দুজনক আৰু তেওঁলোকে অনা বলেৰো পিকআপ গাড়ী সহ আৰক্ষী চকীত চমজাই দিয়া হয় সোধপোছৰ পৰা আমি জানিব পাৰিলো যে কৰায়ত্ব কৰা চোৰ দুজনৰ নাম ক্ৰমে ইমতাজ আলী আৰু আনজনৰ নাম ৰাজাক আলী আৰু জানিব পৰা মতে তেওঁলোকৰ লগত থকা বাকী তিনিজনৰ নাম ক্ৰমে নবী হুছেইন মইজুল আলী আৰু কদম আলী বৰ্তমান উক্ত তিনিজন ব্যক্তি পলাতক অৱস্থাত আছে Now my point is that Lordship, in the middle portion, they have mentioned that Goru Churi Kori loi jai. But Lordship, no cows were seized. Cows were very much intact in the cow set. Number 1 point. Number 2, Lordship, that Bolero pickup, Lordship, they have mentioned one Bolero pickup seized. Lordship, surprising that this Bolero pickup was seized by police from Kimin, Arunachal, not from their place of occurrence, Lordship. And Lordship, when after this case, Lordship, when the other 3 accused that apprehending accused Lordship, along with the villagers, they went to the SP office to complain against the police for not doing the preliminary investigation properly, Lordship. Because Lordship, in the Kimin
Okay. Do you have any materials there?
Materials, Lordship, one is interim principal there. He was the owner of the Bolero vehicle, and he has appeared in a statement recorded. And apart from these petitioners, the suspicion was made and they have only suspicion. They were along with them.
Third learned counsel, Mr.
M. Rahman.
M. Rahman for the petitioners. Etu duta ase de. Etu prothom to likha. 42 for the petitioners. Mohammad Maizul Ali, Elias Mofizul Ali, and Mohammad Kodam Ali, Elias Mohammad. I can likhi diba tinta naam ase. The petitioners have filed this application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for prayer as they apprehending arrest in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections. I heard Mr. D.P. Goswami, learned edition PP Assam. I have considered the submissions at the bar. I have also scrutinized the case diary. The allegation against the petitioner is that they are involved with cow theft. It is submitted that the prime accused have already been arrested in connection with this case. Full stop. It is further submitted that the cows were not stolen by the petitioners, as the cows were found in the place of occurrence. The CD reveals that investigation has progressed substantially. The petitioners are willing to cooperate with the remaining part of the investigation and to abide by any bail conditions if imposed upon him. Considering all aspects, petition is allowed. In the event of the arrest, the petition shall be enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 with a suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority under the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the IO within 1 week and cooperate with the investigation. Number 2, the petitioner shall appear before the IO on every fortnight till completion of investigation. Number 3, the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which they are alleged. They are from Lakhimpur only?
Lakhimpur, Lord.
The petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the court without prior permission. On breach of any of the bail conditions, bail order shall stand automatically cancelled. Etu eketa case hoy khali Assami
In terms of he has appeared, the statement recorded.
Yes.
43.
Etu eketa case hoy 43 to khali heri case number eke khali naam to belek kol eta naam case number sab
He has already appeared.
Our advocate hol
B. Borgohain.
B. Borgohain. The Next line, Lika. While order dated 9/12/2024, the petitioner was granted interim bail. The CD reveals that the petitioner has appeared before the IO and he has cooperated with the investigation. Stop. His statement has been recorded. Considering all aspects, the interim order dated 9/12/2024 is hereby made absolute under the same terms and conditions. Send back the CD. You tell us send back the CD.
Much obliged. Lordship.
Oh, I got to 30,000 each of them.
Item 44.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, this is an allegation against me and my pregnant wife, which is in itself shocking for me. Well, that FIR is at page number 17, my lords. Well, may I read the FIR, my lords?
Yes.
My lord has it. Page number 17.
Yes.
Sir, I like to inform you that my close maternal uncle Sri Ranjan Gogoi and Auntie Srimati Meenakshi Gogoi are residing at Goriabam, Bhadoi Panthali, Duliajan district, Dibrugarh, Assam.
Against the petitioner number 1 and also started proceeding under section 446 CRPC.
What is one proceeding? That is miscase number 11. To be fair enough.
So why you are coming for the same matter twice before the same court?
Because lordship, the matter was next posted on 9/4 lordship. 9/4/2024.
I don't think this petition is maintainable at all.
So lordship, kindly protect me lordship. I will appear
No,
by
how can I
filing a
protect
private
you?
petition because there's a warrant is issued lordship. And
Already one order was passed earlier.
lordship.
Then you ought to have filed one interlocutory application. Already you have one order has been passed in connection with the same case. Under the same section.
Lordship, due to bona fide reason, I could not appear on subsequent date lordship on 9/4. Since
I
9/4/2024.
don't think so. This petition is maintainable at all.
Lordship is absolutely correct because warrant is issued.
No,
That's
no,
why I am before you,
I
lordship.
cannot bend the law in this manner.
So I may be allowed to file an IA. lordship.
No, that I cannot say. Now he has come alone. Earlier he came with his son. Now he has come alone. Same ground. Order dated 13/12/2023. Same order.
No, lordship, now in this petition, lordship, order dated 15/12 has been said, lordship, that I have supplied to your lordship. 15/12.
Where is the order at page?
15/12 I have supplied. Due to oversight, I could not annex.
Oh,
lordship. Due to oversight, I
now you have given the order.
So before,
order is not.
before delving into the petition lordship, I have submitted fairly lordship. What is the liability?
That is still being on record.
That's correct. So with due permission of this honorable court, I submit.
This is the same order. Earlier it has been taken up. Same order. Order dated 13/12 and 15/12 is the same order.
After endorsement by the learned CGM lordship, again case was endorsed as there. By way of 13/12 lordship, case was directed to be registered by placing the record before a learned CGM lordship. And on 14/12 lordship, record was
It is also 2023 matter, man. Today 25th, man. 2025. In the meantime, what is happening, man, that is not.
I have
Order is 15/12/2025. The challenge is on today.
December 2000 or January,
23 months.
February 2024.
categorically.
All the year, man, 2024, man.
Kindly have a look para 6. The reason I have categorically stated.
No, I think this is not the proper way. I think you will have to annex this petition, then we will call for the LCR.
That's correct, lordship. So, at the outset, lordship, I have submitted that I could not.
I cannot stay, but
I am not praying for the staying of the proceeding. Kindly protect me, lordship. The stay of the warrant, lordship. I will appear within 15 days,
no,
lordship.
no.
Because long back warrant was issued 9/4, lordship. I may be put behind bar, lordship.
But this petition is out of the same order, no?
No, out of the different order, Lordship. 15, I am selling the 1512 order, Lordship, in my humble submission. 1512 order was never challenged earlier before this honorable court. 15 days as will appear, Lordship.
I'm really sorry. This is the same order. Because only notice is, it is a subsequent order issuing notice. Similar order has already been challenged.
Issuing notice and taking cognizance, Lordship. So by way of 1312 order, Lordship, cognizance was not taken. Case was directed to be registered, Lordship. And by way of 1512, cognizance was taken, Lordship. The different order, Lordship.
I'll give you 4 days. Please bring this on record.
4 days, Lordship.
I'll pass an order.
In the meantime, I may be protected because tomorrow is dead fixed, Lordship. Tomorrow is dead fixed. I'll be appearing
Not on loose paper. Not on loose paper. You bring it on record.
And Lordship, the issuance of warrant of arrest order has been annexed, Lordship, 9-4, Lordship. That order has been annexed. Kindly have a look, Lordship, Annexure 7, page 32.
Page 32.
Page 38, sorry, Lordship. Page 38, Annexure 8. The type copy, Lordship.
Okay. Our learned counsel, Mr.
GRA Muttaqi.
GRA Muttaqi for the petitioner. Goniruddin, what is his name? Goniruddin Ahmed, who has filed his application under section 482 of the CRPC, read with section 528, no?
CRPC, Lordship, perhaps 528 of the BNSS.
528 of the BNSS 2023. Hard learning additional PP, Mr. B. Sharma, for the respondent state. It is submitted that by order dated 15/12/2023 in connection with Miss Case number 11 of 2023, cognizance was taken and the petitioners aggrieved by this order of cognizance as the petitioner is being prejudiced, full stop. the petitioner had earlier preferred an application under section 482 of the CRPC for setting aside and quashing the orders dated 7/1/2023 and 13/12/2023 passed by the learned SDGM S. Dorong Mongoldoy in connection with CR case number 38 of 2023. And this petition was registered as criminal petition number 145 of 2024, full stop, by order dated 9/2/2024 in criminal petition number 145 of 2024, the petitioner and the accused Mojahidur Rahman, son of the petitioner, was directed to appear before the SDGM in connection with CR case number 38 of 2023 under section 406 of the IPC, full stop. The present petitioner also by order dated 9/2/2024 in connection with the aforementioned petition was directed to appear before the learned court in connection with Miss case number 11 of 2023. It is submitted that the petitioner had not preferred that the present petitioner had not preferred any petition in connection with Miss case number. You have not preferred in any petition in connection with Miss case number.
Right, Annexure 6, Lordship. By way of annexing the order passed by your honor.
No. I'm dictating it. It is submitted that the present petitioner has not preferred any petition before this court in connection with Miss case, preferred any petition before this court in connection with Miss case number 11 of 2023. When did you appear? After the direction of this court?
Matter was this honorable court directed on 9/4, Lordship, and the matter was posted on 12/2/24. And on that very day,
you have appeared.
By way of filing.
It is further submitted that as directed by this court, the petitioner had appeared on 12/2/2024 in connection with Miss case number 11 of 2023. Where is the order?
By way of filing petition of
Annexure 7 is the order.
Page 33, Lordship. Page 33.
Annexure 7 is the order. The petitioner has also submitted a certified copy of the order dated 5/12/2023, which is marked as X and will form a part of this record. It is submitted that the petitioner was not represented by any engaged counsel as the learned counsel representing the petitioner took ill
Was to be admitted in GMCH.
and had to be admitted at GMCH. Now you are willing to appear before the petitioner is willing to appear before the learned court of the SDGM S. Dorong and contest the proceeding of Miss case number 11 of 2023. Okay, I'll send back then. I'll dispose it of today only. Huh? What is the point of issuing notice and all? Who will come if I issue notice? I've considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection. Warrant has been issued. Vide order dated. When was the last order?
9-4 last order. Last 21/1/25.
Vide order dated 21/1/2025.
Initially issued on 9/4/24, Lordship. Annexure
The warrant was initially issued on 9/4/2025,
24.
9/4/2024, and on subsequent dates, the warrants were issued. And finally, where is the, at which page?
Page 39, Lordship.
And subsequently, vide order dated
21/1/25.
21/1/2025 marks as annexure 8, warrant was issued against the petitioner. Full stop. I have taken a pragmatic view as the petitioner is willing to appear before the court and cooperate with the proceeding under section 446 in connection with Miss Case number 11 of 2023, the petitioner is directed to appear before the court within 12 days and place his submission. That court will take whatever steps the court wants, the court will take.
The court may exonerate, Lordship, by way of
Till then, the NBWA issued against the petitioner, NBWA, till then the warrants issued against the petitioner is kept in abeyance. In terms of the above observation, petition stands disposed of. So court will take its
file appropriate petition.
yeah, you filed, yes.
Let him appear within 10 days.
15 days.
As per earlier,
He is also not well, no?
Lordship, as per earlier direction, Lordship, I will file appropriate petition to exonerate me by way of imposing minimum fine, Lordship. So that
No,
may
you
be,
filed it, it will be considered
if
by
I
the
have
court.
filed
I cannot nudge the court to that extent.
much of it.
Item 55 for admission.
Quite clear.
No LCR.
So here in this case, only difficulty is that he is a student of BA first semester, and his examination is going to be.
Yes, senior counsel has submitted, but we don't have the LCR.
I have enclosed.
Admitted call for a record mail after I receive a record mail. Consider the
How many years you are in
Lordship, I
sentence?
kindly appreciate one.
For how many years you are
I-
sentenced?
5 years, only 5 years.
What have you annexed along with the appeal memo?
Everything, Lordship, from the FIR or every deposition I have annexed along with the interlocutory application. And even medical documents, everything I have enclosed.
Do I have time? I don't have time today.
So Lordship may kindly consider one aspect that if he is not granted interim protection, otherwise his entire career will be gone.
He can appear from jail.
So that probably it is not there, Lordship. So if Lordship grants, because he is only
Everybody is appearing from
at
jail.
the time of incident, he was only 20.
That famous boy,
minor.
Alpha case.
Yes, those.
You are
things are there.
Raskar. He was appearing for got first class also.
But he is recently, Lordship, he is convicted, Lordship, that because probably it is not 7/3/2025.
I don't have time today, and I won't be able to
Lordship, fix it
take
tomorrow,
in
Lordship, tomorrow.
tomorrow. No, yesterday also 4:15. At 4, yesterday it was 4:15. I could not take in. I got saturated yesterday. Today also I'm getting saturated now.
Lordship, kindly appreciate one thing. Initially in this case, he was charged with, Lordship, that the victim was minor. The police found that she is major. He committed rape by 3 persons. Then he is convicted only for 376 and 511. Attempt to rape. From what have
No, I'm
come
getting
down.
saturated. That is what I'm saying.
Therefore,
But I cannot absorb anything.
Because otherwise his career will be gone. Lord. Lordship may kindly say from gang rape to only.
Then my brain will go now.
First minor
His career will go and my brain will go.
Yeah, how he is suffering, that part only Lordship may kindly see.
What about the respondent?
No, in 5 years, 5 years. 5 years and 376, 511.
Not POSCO.
Not POXO. POXO after immediately after lodging of the Azhar, he was arrested. Then luckily police recovered all her school certificates and found she is major. She falsely stated in the FIR.
Are you prepared?
No, but I have not.
Let him also prepare.
I am not on merit. I have submitted the merit because he is taking a.
Tomorrow I cannot take. Tomorrow
I am not want to take time. My submission is that Lordship LCR is not available. Lordship may admit the case, call for a record. After a record, Lordship may consider their prayer, my lord.
When is his exam? What exam?
On 24th. On 24th, Lordship.
24th of this
24th
month.
This month. That is the only difficulty. Otherwise, I would not have
Not that
insisted much.
difficulty, my lord. 24 is long, my lord. Today is my lord only 19, my lord.
Lordship may fix it
3-4 days.
tomorrow. He can go through entire record I have along with the
Actually, there are too many
Day after tomorrow.
cases tomorrow.
day after tomorrow. Day after.
Day after tomorrow go party. Hearing date to know.
Friday is holiday for us. I think Friday is holiday.
Maybe a holiday.
No, not that holiday. HYLY.
Huh?
Holy.
Yeah, my lord.
HYLY.
Because Friday, Jummabar is there, so holiday.
Okay, okay.
So
But
Friday.
he will be there, no? He will be there.
Yes, that matter I mentioned the idea.
He will be there.
Yes, yes. No problem.
Friday, Lord.
He is more insisting than you.
My lord.
It's rather you be there.
No, my
Only because of
it's not the case for me either. Your lordship is my.
I understand.
Interest, my lord.
I understand.
These people are opposing, they're opposing. Right? No
My lord.
It is the
We are
case.
always opposing, my lord. When there is a 5-year conviction, my lord. 3 years conviction, I have no objection, my lord.
Matter
But
for
here
last 5 years, you guys seeing matter. 5 years in the first day, matter. 3 years to 5 years. 3 years to first day, my lord.
3 years is always
5 years,
allowed.
almost if you
She has,
complete, then it is.
she has to, we have to
Always,
allow.
3 years first.
Compulsorily we have.
5 years actually in the first day it is there.
3 years compulsorily we have to
Yes.
allow.
But 5 years, we will have to call for a record, my lord.
So in 5 years
No.
case also, that case coordinate bench has elaborately discussed. I can place before Lordship, but today I am not placing. On next day I will place before this.
Friday, okay.
Yes, Friday I will place that judgment also.
Somehow I'm accommodating you on Friday.
Lord.
Obliged to.
Only because of his career I am insisting on that. Otherwise I would not have insisted much.
Let's see how keen he is on his career. Let's see. We'll get to know if he's really keen for his career.
Lordship.
Most of the time we find that he's appearing his BA exam 25 years old, 26 years old.
No, these all admittance are there.
All
Idea
admissions,
also there.
everything I have given. Even she is
And if
claiming-
he is appearing BA exams for 26
Not final exam.
Not final.
The part of the
at the age of 26, you can understand how keen he is on his career.
Lord.
Easier, my lord.
All right.
বেছিও হ'ব পাৰে 30ও হ'ব পাৰে22, okay. Okay, then maybe he is a little bit keen. Yes,
My lord, 483 application, Lordship.
you have the CD?
My lord, we have
See, on last occasion, Lordship, they took time for.
Under which section?
103, Lordship.
Murder?
Murder, 88 days, Lordship. Last time they have took time, taken time, Lordship, because.
Where is the FIR?
FIR is at page. Lordship 10, page 10, translated copy.
88 days.
88 days.
Page 10. Please read the FIR.
With due respect, I beg to state that about 20 years ago from today, my elder brother Mojibur Rahman married the accused number 1, Junu Begum, who is the daughter of the accused number 2, Tarmuz Ali, and was staying at his wife's place. Since the past few days, the accused persons were torturing Mojibur Rahman and were also beating him. On 17/12/2024, the accused persons attacked Mojibur Rahman with iron rod and caused him grievous hurt in his head, eyes, and other parts of the body. The accused persons did not provide any treatment to the injured yesterday, that is on 19/12/2024. Some people from the village helped him get out bus to the village yesterday at around 8 p.m. He reached Kaplabari shop and called up his family members, and we bring him home from Kaplabari today. That is 20/12/2024.
Now, what do you have in the CD?
Well, we have received the case judgment without the PM report.
Last occasion also, because of PM report, today fixed the matter. Lordship, 3-4 dates they could not bring the PM report.
It is available, madam. PM report we have not received, madam.
Lordship,
Otherwise, the indication is there, madam, against the court. CD also statement of the madam.
Mukalmua?
No, it's
Kamalpur.
not work. Lordship,
How far is that place? Today is 88 days.
88 days.
By the time that
On Monday, it was before your Lordship. They took time to collect the PM report, Lordship. That is why it takes 2 days, Lordship. For collection of on that day also CD was available. The PM report from last 2 days, it is not available, Lordship.
But CD, you send it back, no?
Yes,
Or
Goswami
did you return
told-
the CD or sent it back?
Madam, CD not done that, madam. 24 to madam. Last 20 was madam.
No, last occasion, Mr. Goswami appeared.
7 to 25.
He informed.
Sorry, madam. Up to 7 to 25, madam. And here is also a return CD call for update CD. That was written here, but whether they have taken back or not, it is not here.
But Mr. Goswami informed us that CD sent to the police officer. Again, he sent back to it.
No, that time CD was sent back.
Madam.
No, CD was retained. CD has been retained.
Madam, kindly
actually.
consider the length of detention, Lord.
From 4/3, the CD came on 10/3. 10/3, and then today is 10 days.
10 days. Lordship, kindly consider this length of detention, Lord. I'm a local person. I'm the son of the deceased person and son-in-law of the deceased person.
Son-in-law of the
deceased person, Lordship, victim, and they were lived at.
You are the son-in-law and
Son-in-law and son. Son-in-law and son, Lordship.
Son-in-law and
Well, his name is not there also. Is this petition number 2's name is not there, Lordship, in the part. Some Papu Ali is there, but I'm not a Papu Ali, Lordship. I'm Mohammad Apu Ali alias Azizur Rahman. But his son name is there, Midul Ali. In fire, Lordship.
What about the others?
Others, Lordship, is in interim. They all are ladies, and one is.
1 to interim. 1 and 2 interim.
No. Stop get interim. Stop get interim. Junu Begum, wife. Tarmuz Ali, father-in-law. Hasil.
Papu Ali is the same person. Batsu, son of Batsu.
Batsu?
Son of Batsu. Papu Ali. Petitioner appeal accused number 7.
Apu Ali, Azizur Rahman. Petition number 2.
Azizur, he is the same accused number 7. Apu Ali, Mohammad Apu Ali, Azizur Rahman.
In the FIR, it is written as Papu Ali.
Maybe Papu Ali, but he is the same person.
But not on that, Lordship, only consider the length of detention, Lordship, 88.
Heard Miss Asken Ali's learned counsel for the petitioners. Midul Ali or Papu Ali, Apu Ali alias Azizur Rahman. Midul Ali to Madul Ali, huh? The petitioners have filed this application under section 483 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for bail as they are behind bars since 21/12/2024 in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections. Heard Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional PP Assam, who has stated that there are incriminating materials in the case diary against these petitioners. the learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that it is true that the petitioner is the son-in-law
and son of the victim.
son-in-law and son of the deceased victim, and that the deceased victim was residing in his in-laws house, no? In-laws house, along with his wife, stroke Junu Begum. It is, however, these two petitioners are innocent, and they have been languishing in the jail against false allegations brought up in the FIR, false allegations brought up against them. I have also scrutinized the case diary. Full stop. The petitioners are also named in the FIR. Full stop. The merits of this case are not brought to the fore. Full stop. I have considered the length of detention. Full stop. Investigation has progressed substantially. Stop. The petitioners have pledged to cooperate with the remaining part of the investigation and to abide by any stringent bail conditions if imposed upon them. It appears that bail may be granted to the petitioners. The petitioners are enlarged on bail of rupees 50,000 each with a suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the Amingaon judge. Nalbari. Kamrup. It will be Amingaon, no?
No.
To the satisfaction of the learned.
Yes.
It
Rongia, Aziziam Rongia.
Aziziam Rongia. To the satisfaction of the learned Aziziam Rongia, if you want, it is not Aziziam Rongia, then you had it. They
No,
won't be
Aziziam Rongia, it is written in the forwarding report, Lord.
under the conditions that the petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the court without prior permission. The petitioner shall appear before the IO on every fortnight till completion of investigation. The petitioners shall not exercise checks to the witnesses or try to influence them. On breach of any of the bail conditions, the court is at liberty to immediately cancel the bail granted to the petitioners.
One line is this, here, here report not available. No.
Oh, send back the case diary. Not required.
My lord, a similar case regarding anticipatory report for others. Item number
This I won't take up today.
59.
No, I won't take up today. Some other day. Cannot.
Interim may continue, Lord.
Okay.
Then CDB return.
City return the city.
Along with the
लिखिए।
PM report, Lordship. 59.
59.
Do you have the same case, no?
Same case.
Send back the CD. Call for the up-to-date CD along with the PM report. Interim order shall remain in force till then. Release the matter Lombard period. 57 and 58 I cannot take up today. Anybody is waiting for
This is
57,
regarding
58?
59, huh?
57, 58?
Here.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Here regarding the
I have filed a IA for implementing respondent number 2, Lord.
POSCO.
Information. Yes, Lord.
Initially, my lord, in the POXO case, section was not added, my lord.
Yes, sir.
After interim, my lord. After interim, what interim, my lord? IO has added the, my lord, court has added the section 6.
Okay.
Then they will have to, in the last occasion, my lord, was to.
IA is not with me.
Yes, Lordship. Yesterday, file IA. That may be record.
Etu heri
57 and 50.
etu record.
Yes, Lord.
Etu data ta di dio.
Yes, Lord.
IA
Interim may be
di-
continued, Lordship. Both cases are. Yes, both cases.
Interim আছে নেকি দুইটাতে?
Yes.
POSCO case interim?
Initially not.
Subsequently, POXO is added.
Order to কৰিব লাগিব। Learned counsel, Mr.
A Hawk, Lordship. On behalf of
57, 58, no?
yes, yes.
A
Hawk.
Hawk on behalf of
SK account.
Learned counsel,
AS
Mr.
account.
S.
AS account.
AS account is present, and has submitted that he has submitted, he has filed an IA. Stop. Registry to place the IA on record. Interim order shall remain in force till date of the detention. Bihu pisat di dia. 23rd of April.
Here is a withdrawal also.
Withdrawal? Where? What is it? Oh, the production list. এইটো লিখি দিব তাই। PP নাম লিখি দিবা, হেৰি নাম লিখি দিবা, পাৰিব।